In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a Forex trade inside of Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to exness.com. From here, you'll need to sign into your account or sign up for an account if you don't already have one. And if you want to support the channel, I have a link for Exness down in the description below. From here, it should look something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Once you're in here, you'll need to go over to the menu and click My Accounts. And from here, you'll see the real accounts or the demo accounts. From here, we'll need to open an account and you can choose between the standard accounts, the standard cent, or professional accounts like Pro, Raw Spread, or a zero account. This will work with every single of these ones, the exact same. Then from here you'll need to click continue. Now from here you'll need to go down to platform and change the MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4 or Exness. This is also don't really matter. Personally I'll choose Exness for this tutorial. You can also change the max leverage, you can add the nickname and the currency for the specific account. From here you'll just need to click create account, and once you have done that, you'll need to go over to Exness, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, and then from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to find the symbol that you want to place a Forex trade for, and because the Forex market has closed, I'll use the BTC X Gold up here. From here you'll need to go over to the right hand side where you'll see the symbol, and you'll be able to change from regular form to one-click form or risk calculator form. If you just want to place a trade, you'll need to click a regular form. From here you'll need to click buy, and from here you'll need to select either the market or the pending, depending on if you want a market order or a pending order. From here you'll need to enter a volume where you can add how many lots you will like to purchase. You can add a take profit and a stop loss. Once you've done that, you'll need to click confirm lot, and from here you'll be able to see it over here in the open spaces or open positions. From here you'll see it over here, and you can add the TP by clicking right here if you want to do that. Later on, you can also add a partial close or a close buy. You can add a stop loss over here, modify it, partial close or close buy, and from here you'll also be able to close position over here. Once it's closed, it will be visible over here inside of the close positions over here. As you can see, I had one previously position, but that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!